Welcome back to the channel where we help you make better purchasing decisions one product at a time. Today, we're diving into the world of mirrorless cameras with a showdown between the Sony Alpha ZV-E10 and the Canon EOS R100. Let's kick things off with the price. The Sony Alpha ZV-E10 is priced at $799, which some reviewers highlight as a solid investment for its features, especially for vloggers. In contrast, the Canon EOS R100 comes in at a more budget-friendly $599. Many users appreciate this lower price point, making it accessible for beginners and casual photographers. If you're on a budget, the R100 might just be your best friend. Next, let's dive into sensor and image quality. The ZV-E10 features a 24.2 megapixels APS-C Exmor CMOS sensor, which reviewers rave about for its impressive image quality, particularly in low-light conditions. The Canon EOS R100, while slightly lower at 24.1 megapixels, still delivers excellent images. Users have noted that the picture quality is great for family photos, especially for those just getting into photography. Both cameras excel in this area, so you're going to be happy with either. Now, let's talk video capabilities. The ZV-E10 is a vlogger's dream, offering 4K movie oversampled from 6K, which many reviewers agree makes it a standout choice for video content creation. On the other hand, the R100 is solid but not quite as advanced. Some users have noted that, while it does a decent job, it lacks the higher-end video features that the ZV-E10 provides. If you're looking for quality, the ZV-E10 is your best bet. Moving on to autofocus features. The ZV-E10 includes a product showcase setting that allows for quick transitions in focus, which many content creators love. Reviewers have praised its fast autofocus. The R100 also features dual-pixel CMOS AF, which has received mixed reviews. Some users appreciate its eye detection AF, while others have reported issues with autofocus reliability. Both cameras do a good job, but the ZV-E10 has the edge here. Finally, let's chat about streaming and connectivity. The ZV-E10 is incredibly user-friendly for live streaming, requiring just a single USB connection. Many reviewers mention how easy it is to set up. In contrast, the R100 has received comments about its connectivity being less straightforward, with some users struggling to connect it to Wi-Fi. If you're a live streaming superstar, the ZV-E10 is definitely the better choice. Overall, reviewers have highlighted the Sony Alpha ZV-E10 as an exceptional choice for vloggers and content creators, thanks to its impressive video capabilities and autofocus features. The Canon EOS R100, while praised for its affordability and ease of use for beginners, has received mixed feedback regarding its autofocus and video quality. Both cameras cater to different audiences, making them valuable in their own right. So there you have it, folks. The battle of the mirrorless cameras. The Sony Alpha ZV-E10 versus the Canon EOS R100. If you're looking for superior video quality, advanced features, and streaming convenience, the ZV-E10 is your guy. But if you're looking for a budget-friendly option that gets the job done without breaking the bank, the R100 is waiting for you. Remember, whether you're capturing memories or making masterpieces, always buy smart. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Product links are in the description.